were to stop working today, how long could you survive without a paycheck? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 passive income ideas that any beginner can start. Don't worry, all these passive income ideas cost nothing to start and any beginner can start them. You don't need any money or any skills to start making money using these income ideas or passive income ideas. If this is the kind of video you would want to watch, then stay till the end, because at the end of the video I'm going to show you my August payment proof. In case you are new to my channel, welcome. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and grow your YouTube channel and start earning from that. Without wasting time, let's get started. The first income idea is YouTube content creation. A lot of people have opted to create content here on YouTube, and it is exactly what I am doing right now. I'm creating content on YouTube. I'm going to post it, then I'm going to make money out of that. I don't do content creation full time. It's just a side hustle. That's why I'm telling you that you can pick YouTube content creation as a passive income idea to create videos. I make videos, and don't worry, I don't struggle scripting my videos. I use free AI tools like ChatGPT to script my YouTube videos so that I don't have any difficulties creating my videos. Then creating content on YouTube will pay you through AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Getting paid from AdSense means when people watch your videos, then some ads will be placed before, between, or at the end of your videos, and you're going to make money out of that. If you also use affiliate links, if people click your affiliate links, you're also going to get some money out of that. You can as well get paid on YouTube through sponsorships. When brands approach you because you create content that is connected to their brand or that, they are going to approach you, then you're going to get a lot of sponsorships. Then a lot of money will be flowing in your bank account. Another side hustle or another income idea is by blogging. Have you ever went to Google to search something, then all those articles will appear on your screen? That is people doing blogging. Blogging means writing articles on topics that you love. For example, you could blog about AI, you could blog about AI free tools and all that, everything about AI. You could blog about making money online and all that. So blogging will help you earn through from ads and affiliate links. When you go to Google, then you search something, then you pick an article to read that or to get knowledge from that. There are some ads which will be placed on that website or that article, and the owner of that article is going to be making money out of that. Another thing is that, for example, you ask me a question on how you can make money using AI, then I tell you, use this link to go to, it will direct you to an article I read online. Then you click that link, and the link will be from another person's website. That person will make money if you click that link. So the third income idea is by creating online courses. This is very common nowadays because people are really hungry to get knowledge. People are yearning to learn new skills every single day. You could take advantage of that and teach a skill that you know. For example, I have created an ebook using AI or using ChatGPT, and from that ebook, it's actually a course. I have created a course using ChatGPT that I use to teach people what I know. In this case, I teach people how to grow on YouTube from beginner to all that. Yeah, so that is how you can um, create online courses and teach a skill you know. I want to give you an example. If you go to, for example, a platform like TikTok, you will see a lot of people teaching about skills. Other people will even teach about cooking. You will also see some teachers teaching. You will also see people teaching about making money online. You will see people teaching about coding. You will see others teaching about forex trading and all that. So those are people creating online courses. To enroll to those courses, people are going to be paying for that. Yeah, so if you create a course, of course you are not going to teach for free. You are going to make people pay for it in order to access your course. And that is another very beneficial or very profitable passive income idea. So among the three, which one do you use? Personally, I use the first one and the third one: YouTube content creation and online courses. I create content here on YouTube, and by the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe, because I will teach you about making money online, about free AI tools that can help you make money, and also about YouTube growth tips. And I will teach you here for free. So ensure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. And if you have not started making any money through passive ideas or side hustles, I don't know what you're waiting for. You don't need skills or fancy skills or coding in order to start these passive income ideas. You could start with your phone. If you have your phone, your smartphone, and your internet connection, you can start making money out of that. For example, I have never owned a camera in my life. I just use my simple smartphone to create content, and I have been doing that for 4 years now, and I have really been making money, and I'm not even thinking of buying a camera. My phone just serves me well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a very big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.